If you've ever found a rock and wondered, could this be a meteorite? You're not alone. The hard part isn't finding rocks. However, learning to determine whether they are a meteorite or a meteorong can feel overwhelming if you don't know what question to ask next. I didn't start out knowing what I was doing. The years of hunting and collecting and education and outreach came after I learned this simple process. The truth is, you don't need years of experience, and you definitely don't need to learn a bunch of technical language. You just need to ask the right questions in the right order. This series is about sharing with you the single most important and effective tool that I've found throughout the years. One that works whether you're a beginner or experienced. We will walk through this chart together, step by step. We will test simple things like magnetic attraction, density, interior and exterior features. And at each step, you'll know exactly if your rock moves forward or stops. By the end of this series, you'll know whether your rock isn't a meteorite for clear, logical reasons, or you'll know exactly when to involve professionals and how to do that. This is the process that turned confusion into confidence for me, and it's a process that you can repeat on your rocks at home. So get that suspicious looking rock that got you curious, follow along, and let's get started.